This video is for you if you're an entrepreneur, business owner, want to start an online business, want to start a school community, or you just absolutely love Alex Hormozi content. I want to show you guys something really cool that I built over on the school platform that I think if you're any of those things that I just mentioned, you will absolutely love. Now, really quick, my name is Israel. I am a CPA. I'm an entrepreneur. I have a master's degree in business and accounting from the best business school in Texas, but none of that matters. This is actually what I'm most proud of, my most proud achievement, and that is creating and founding this school community called Alex Hormozi School. Now, within this community, just like you've seen in the description, we talk everything about Alex Hormozi, and most importantly, all the teachings that he has given to help grow our businesses. Whether you have an online business, whether you have a physical business, whatever it is, being in this community can help drastically transform your business, especially if you're stuck, and everything will be backed by Alex Hormozi. Now, huge disclaimer, Alex Hormozi himself did not create this community. Alex Hormozi himself is not in this community. This community is created and founded by me and other business owners, and it's only ran by myself and other business owners. Now, before you click away, I have something very exciting to tell you guys. I will actually get to meet and talk to Alex Hormozi next week on Tuesday, October 21st. Yes, that's right. I actually get to talk to Alex Hormozi in person, and I'm going to talk to Alex Hormozi all about this community that I created. This community that involves you, that involves me, involves so many other entrepreneurs and business owners inside it. And I'm going to ask him directly, hey, how can I make this even more valuable for you guys? How can I make this just a way more amazing product, a way more amazing community for you guys to be involved in? And quite frankly, how you guys can use this community to grow your businesses. So I'm super excited to have that conversation with him. But now let me just show you exactly what is inside the Alex Hormozi School community right now. All right, so this is the page, and as of right now, guys, by the time you're watching this video, the community is free. It won't be free forever, though, so if it's free, join in now. But even if there's a price tag when you guys are watching this video, I promise you it'll be well worth it. Like, we're all here to make the investment to grow our businesses, and this will definitely be one of those. All right, so in the community tab, after you join, we have these different tabs right here, right? So the first one is $100 million leads. Now, this category, which is based off Alex Hormozi's book, $100 million leads, this category is all about you guys asking questions on how do you get more customers? How do you get more leads? You tell us exactly what is your way of getting more leads and customers right now, and everyone in the community will actually answer you and tell you what changes we think you should make, and everything will be according to Alex Hormozi. Or you can just go in here and show us how you've been getting customers, and maybe we can learn something from you. So any questions you have about getting more customers for your business, you just post in here. Now, everything that's outside of that, anything else about your business, whether it's pricing, whether it's hiring, whether it's about marketing, whether it's about anything else, right? Sales scripts, you can post it here in the discussion. Now, we have a lot of people here posting things about their business or posting questions about their business, and everyone else in the community just answers. And also, anytime Alex Hormozi posts a video or posts a podcast, I put it in here. That way we can discuss about the video and see what we learned from it. Now, we do like to keep things light and fun. So if you do like to crack jokes or anything, and you're just a funny guy, yeah, you just post it in here. I love dropping little memes in here, things that I think you entrepreneurs would find really funny. Now, this is my favorite tab, and that is the wins tab. So anytime you guys have any success within your business, whether it's getting your first customer, whether it's getting your 100th customer, whether it's getting your first $100,000 sale, whatever it is, you just post it in here in wins. And everyone is putting in here exactly what they're celebrating, especially by being in this Alex Hormozi School community. So any type of goal that you hit, and it's because you were in this community, you just post it in here. And here we just like have dozens and dozens of people just having success by being in this community. And so for me, this is like my tab of proof. Like, for me to prove to you guys, heck, hey, this stuff like actually works. Being in this community is actually helping people in their business. People are making more money by being in this community. So this actually just makes me really happy to see. Now, jobs, I won't get into that right now. $100 million money models, basically anything about Alex Hormozi's third book, $100 million money models. We actually talk about that in my premium community called Hormozi Money Models, which is over here. But for now, I think most of you guys would just be happy being in this community, Alex Hormozi School. Now, I did save the best for last. The thing that I think is the most valuable thing in here, aside from the community itself, the people are the most important. But the second most valuable thing in here is this thing I created and spent a ton of time on, and it's called the 30-day business growth pack. Now, you guys should not be able to access this until you join a community and until you're onboarded. So Make sure you take the onboarding course, whatever you want to call it. That way you could be welcome and introduce it to the community and get off to a great start. And then when you're ready, especially if you want to transform your business, it doesn't matter whether you've never started a business. It doesn't matter whether you've had your business for 5 years. I promise you, if you do this 30-day business growth path, you will transform your business within 30 days. That is essentially a guarantee. The only way that you will fail is if you don't try. So if you do try, you will transform your business. That's actually almost guaranteed. So 30-day business growth path, I'll give you a sneak peek, but essentially, when was the last time you ever had someone tell you exactly what you need to do every single day for 30 days straight? Now, at first you might be like, well, I'm not a child and you're not my dad. You're not my mom. I know, I get that. But don't you just want that stress off your shoulders of like, man, I'm stuck in my business. If only there was someone to help me. And instead of just like having a person answer one of your questions, imagine someone telling you what to do every single day for 30 days straight. That way you don't even have to think. Just for 30 days, you don't have to think. You just have to do what this plan tells you to do every single day, and you will transform your business. You will make more money. If you try, you got to put a little bit of effort. So like every single day, I'll give you a little sneak peek, but every single day you'll be asked to read a portion of one of Alex Hormozi's books, and you'll be probably having to watch 1 to 2 videos of Alex Hormozi, something for you guys to learn from and implement into your business. So that's actually amazing. So essentially every single day you will be learning, and every single day you will be applying something to your business. That way you can actually grow your business within 30 days. So I'm so proud of this thing that I've created, and a lot of other people in the community are absolutely loving this. I've seen so much success, and you guys will too. Check it out. As of right now, at the time of posting this video, it is free, but that will change most likely in November and afterwards. But I promise you guys, even if you're watching this video and there's a price tag attached to this, it's worth it. No matter what I price this at, you will make more money than whatever this is priced at. I'm not going to charge $1,000 for this. I promise you that. That I at least promise you. So if you're watching this and it costs money to join the community or costs money to access this course, it'll be worth it, guys. It'll be worth it. Just all you care about is growing your business, right? This will help you grow your business, and it'll help you grow your business the Alex Hormozi way, right? So everything I have in here, I have in this course is backed by Alex Hormozi. It's his words, it's his knowledge, it's his like genius, right? What I did, I just curated everything, made it super easy and simple to follow. That way you guys don't have to go on his YouTube channel and just watch, some videos from 3 years ago and a video from last month and just like, you just don't know what to do. I made it simple for you. Just follow this plan for 30 days and you will be so happy that you did. So I hope you guys check it out. If you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, whether you want to start your own school community, whether you want to start your first online business, or whether you're starting your 5th online business and you really, really like Alex Hormozi, this is the community for you. Please check it out. I'll see you guys inside the community. That's it.